Discus fish are often called the king of the aquarium. But what makes these fish so special? Discus fish are among the most beautiful freshwater fish in the world. Their round shape, bright colors, and elegant swimming style make them a favorite among aquarium hobbyists. These fish come from the Amazon River basin in South America. In nature, they live in warm, slow-moving waters, surrounded by plants and tree roots. Discus fish have a unique disc-shaped body and can grow up to 15 to 20 centimeters. They come in many stunning colors like red, blue, turquoise, pigeon blood, and leopard varieties. However, discus fish require proper care. Clean water, stable conditions, and a temperature between 28 and 30 degrees Celsius are essential for their health. Discus fish are peaceful and social fish. They prefer to live in small groups and feel more comfortable when kept together. They enjoy a variety of foods, including discus pellets, bloodworms, brine shrimp, and beef heart mixtures. With proper care and dedication, discus fish can become the true centerpiece of any aquarium.